Let's dive into a biblical collection that might be a lot larger than the one you're used to.
You know, many of us are familiar with the 66-book Bible, but what if there's more?
Well, this app is basically a gateway into one of the oldest and most complete biblical canons. That's right, 91. That's how many books the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church includes in its official canon.
That's a pretty significant difference, right? So let's see what's actually inside.
I mean, just look at this. The sheer breadth of texts available here is pretty incredible.
It's got some really influential ancient works, like Enoch, Jubilees, and other so-called forgotten books.
And you can read these fascinating texts directly within the app's super clean and simple interface.
But it's not just a library. It's actually a powerful tool for some seriously deep study.
So what happens when you hit a complex passage or a name you don't recognize?
Well, the built-in dictionary lets you define terms without ever leaving what you're reading. So helpful.
And just like that, you're building a much deeper understanding, verse by verse.
The big takeaway here is the chance to explore a fuller, richer version of biblical history.
So the question is, what truths are just waiting for you to find? Kind of makes you wonder.